Hey guys, Nerd101. I just wanted to make a video. If your controller is saying action not available or something like that when you press a button, for me it was these buttons and the X. What I did was to fix it, and now it even works. You could see I could pull my sword. I could do everything. Now it works. What I did to fix this was wait, I'm having trouble with this. I held this down, then I pressed this button to remove the narrator. I turned them back on, but I could just turn them off. Still works. And actually I prefer it without the narrator. Okay, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.